All right, guys, so in this module, I'm going to go over the second type of video I want you guys to film. So first, I gave you the longer form script video. That's the last module. It's called Script 1. That is your bread and butter. That's going to apply to pretty much every single niche on the planet. That or some very small variation of that we can help you out with. But that video, get that filmed first, get that scripted first. This is the other type of video I want you to film. So you have two videos when you're starting these campaigns. This type of video only applies to some niches. It only applies to some. It applies to niches where the goal is to earn or save money, which you can make most videos. I mean, most niches are about that. Most niches are about, earning or saving some money in some manner or another. And you could probably make a variation of this video even for niches that aren't necessarily directly about saving money. I could see it working. But I'm going to show you what I do and what I recommend most of you do who are in niches where it's about saving money on some new opportunity. So let's go into the type of video. I call these check videos. What these are is it's a vertical video displaying a tangible item showing how much money you have saved on X, Y, and Z by doing X, Y, and Z. So let's go through this. We'll watch through the video once. I'm just going to let it roll. And then we're going to go back through it and we can do a breakdown.
All right, guys, if you've been injured in a car accident, you have to check this out. So I just got this check for $130,000. I'm going to go cash this right after this video, but I didn't even think I was going to make anything for my injuries. The car accident wasn't that bad. There weren't any damages to the car. I didn't think I was going to get compensated at all from the party responsible. But the way I got this is, and I put a link to this in this video if you click the button. There's this app, and I filled it out. It asked a few questions about your car accident. And after you fill this out, it brings you to a page where it tells you exactly how much your case is worth, and it shows you the best attorney in your area to get you this money. So guys, if you've been injured in a car accident and you want to bring home checks like this, you have to check out this app. I put a link below. Just click the link below. It brings you directly to this page. You fill out a few questions, and it's going to show you exactly how much you can make and which attorney in your area can make you this money. So guys, I hope this helped out. Click the link in this video.
Okay, so these are very versatile ads. They can work in any niche where you can display something showing how much money you've saved. You could even do this for electricity bill if you're in like HVAC. Like, hey, I got this new cooling system. Look how much money it saved me on my electricity bill. If you guys want to see, if you guys are in need of a new replacement system, you guys have to check this out. This app shows you if your house qualifies. You can make this type of video work for a lot of different niches. You just have to use your imagination a little bit. So let's go through the key elements of this because it's pretty simple. It's kind of, again, it's a variation of what was in the last one with some little minor changes here and there. So,
all right, guys, if you've been injured in a car accident, you have to check this out.
Hook, grab attention, calling out the audience directly if you've been injured in a car accident. At the very beginning, I mentioned a new opportunity. Now, unlike the last script where we go into detail on what the new opportunity is at first, in this one, I'm just like, you have to check this thing out. Look at this. And I'm walking over. It's an interesting visual element combined with some intriguing audio stuff.
So, I just got this check for $130,000. I'm going to go cash this right after this video.
So, big benefit. Big benefit. How much money you got or how much money you saved.
But I didn't even think I was going to make anything for my injuries. The car accident wasn't that bad. There weren't any damages to the car. I didn't think I was going to get compensated at all from the party responsible. But the way I got this is, and I put a link to this in this video.
So that was a light call to action right there. I put a link in the description beneath this video. That's a light call to action. And I'm presenting the method. I'm showing the quiz on the phone. That's going to be how you present the method here.
If you click the button, there's this app, and I filled it out. It asked a few questions about your car accident.
By the way, build your landing page first. Go to the landing page section of this course, build your landing page first so that you can use it in this video. That way it's the same lander they see when they click.
And after you fill this out, it brings you to a page where it tells you exactly how much your case is worth, and it shows you the best attorney in your area to get you this money.
So it talks about what benefits they get from filling out the quiz.
So guys, if you've been injured in a car accident and you want to bring home checks like this,
Reiterate
you have to
benefits.
check out this app. I put a link
Talk about
below.
what they can get.
Just click the link below. It brings you directly to this page.
Call to action again.
Questions, and it's going to show you exactly how much you can make and which attorney in your area can make you this money. So guys, I hope this helped out. Click the link in this video.
Now, one thing this video needs is an outro card like this. It needs something at the end, 15 seconds of an outro card. It performed without it. Again, guys, you don't have to do everything perfectly every time, but do what I say, not what I do. Have an outro card. You definitely want an outro card on a video like this. It would perform even better than it performs now. So this type of video works for a lot of different niches. You're gonna have two types of videos to start. You're gonna have your basic script video, and you're going to have your quick vertical style save money type video. If you don't think this will work in your niche, before you give up on the idea entirely, post in the group. Be like, hey, do you think this will work in my niche? And I'll share with some ideas I might have. You know, if you're kind of coming up short in terms of how this might work for your niche, I can probably make it work in your niche. It works in a lot more niches than it doesn't. So film, get the script written for the first script, get the script written for your second script. Again, you're gonna run these by us before you film them. But this one's really easy to film. One of the good parts about the vertical video is you can film it in one take usually. You just walk over to the check and you just talk. It's pretty easy to film. Make sure your audio is good. Make sure they can hear you. Make sure you don't have anything weird laying out on your table that's gonna, I mean, honestly, maybe it would grab people's attention even more if you had some weird stuff laying out. But like, just make sure it's pretty easy to film these. So that's it for the vertical style video. There are several of these in the swipe file. I think there's 3 or 4 of them right now. So you can check those out. These work on many different platforms. These work on TikTok, Snapchat, they work on Facebook, Instagram swipe up ads. We're talking about YouTube here, and they crushed it on YouTube. So that's it for this module, guys. I'll see you in the next one.